जॉब फेयर लगाया गया है. It has a main purpose to bridge the gap between employer and job seekers. Usually, what happens, the student who is in need of a job, they either wait for the placement drive in the campus. 1 and 2 companies used to come and we slot them, we organize them, or the student go over there, Delhi, NCR, and other places to seek the job. But we have planned the 70 plus companies. We have invited them under one umbrella in our institute, and we have invited, on the other hand, our own students of the final year of all the domain, all the program, and the students from the other institutions and university as well. They are coming, they have come, huge number of turned up, and we are really happy that we are successful in our aim and purpose to bridge the gap between job seekers and job providers. They are doing great.
सर अभी आपने बोला कि 70 प्लस कंपनीज आ रही है, तो आपने ये चीज़ मैनेज कैसे किया? स्टूडेंट्स को आप कैसे मैनेज करें? जितने भी अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट से, ऑफिस से, कंपनी से HR आ रहे हैं, उनको आप लोग कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं?
We don't think it about, because we are in habit to do it since decades and more. Our TNP department is very robust. They are professional. They are doing great. They have more than 2,000 companies linkage all the time available with them. So it is very easy for them to make contact. Number one. Number two, so for managing the affairs concerned, you will surprised to know our students are more involved. They have been trained like anything. They are organizing, they are showcasing, they are doing the best, they are coordinating. You will find that at each and every corner of both the buildings, at each and every floor, students are coordinating. More than 250 students we have deputed to coordinate with the HR, with the students, with managements, and in very discipline, like the refreshment, like the interview, like discipline, everywhere, registration, control room, everywhere you will find our students.